hope you all are doing good. I want to start this video with a Bible verse that says, "Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good, for His love endures forever." You all must be wondering, what is this cactus looking thing doing in front of me? This is called an artichoke, and it is a flower bud, but it is considered as a vegetable. It is edible item. I thought just to try some item out of it. I had artichoke in restaurant but never prepared at home, so I'm going to stuff this and spinach in chicken, and let's see how it comes out. When I got artichoke, I imagined it will be very easy to make, so the recipe will be done within 15 minutes, but then I saw a video how to peel it and how to cut it. I just need the middle part of the artichoke, that is called the heart of it. I have to cut and peel all the spikes out, so we have to be careful. These tips, these are actually flower petals, have spikes on it, so we have to chop it out. As earlier I have mentioned, the tip of the petals have spikes on them, so we have to chop it out. We don't need to use them. So first I'm going to remove extra leaves. You can see I have taken one of the biggest knife from my kitchen. I'm just going to cut this one out. You can see this middle part, it's fibrous, so we have to remove this one out. I have seen in YouTube video peeling individual petals out, so I'm going to take that. You see this yellow part? I just need that part. Let me try to chop some. It kind of look like a lotus. This is fibrous thing, or they called it choke, so we don't need this item. This middle part, you can see I have to scoop it out with the help of a spoon or something sharp. Once you get inside the middle of that fibrous thing, then it's pretty easy. You see how it looks like a cup? If I'm cutting everything out, I don't know what I'm going to do. To be very frank, I'm a little disappointed because out of that big flower, I just got this one. This thing turns out a little black, so we have to apply some lemon juice. Now I'm going to chop it very finely. I have chopped this and kept it in a bowl. I just have to make a mixture of spinach and this artichoke heart and some cream cheese. Now I'm going to chop some spinach. So this spinach and artichoke, I'm going to add some cream cheese and some Alfredo sauce and some sun-dried tomato. You can keep the cream cheese out ahead of time, so it will be easier to blend in. I'm not sure whether my husband is going to like this because he's not a very big fan of spinach. And to this, I'm going to add 1/4 of
Alfredo sauce.
We need something dry because we have to stuff inside the chicken. If it's very wet, it's going to come out of the chicken and it will be all over the pan. I have added Alfredo sauce. It's got little salt in it. I'll check the salt. If I need salt, then I'm going to add extra. Otherwise, it will be too salty. I'm going to add some chili flakes to it. Little bit of salt and some pepper. This is how the mix look like. So for chicken part, I have taken 2 breast piece here, which I have to cut it out to make a pocket out of it. I'm not going to cut the whole part. I'll just keep it like a pocket. I'm going to season this piece of chicken with some salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add some garlic to it. And now the stuffing part comes. I'm not an excellent cook, but I definitely try out different items. Sometimes it comes out good, sometimes okay, and sometimes amazing. So now that I have stuffed these chicken, I'm going to use the toothpick to keep them in place. It smells good and I think my husband is going to love it.